Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's Molded 3D live webinar. Today will be the last session of this year, and we'll be talking about Molded 3D's new cloud platform called Moldiverse. It's a cloud platform to elevate your molding simulation. It will be presented by me. I'm the PM Lingan Lai at Molded 3D. So first, let's take a look at the outline of today's webinar. First, we'll introduce what is Moldiverse, and second, we will talk a little bit about what can this cloud platform bring you. And lastly, we'll be pitching you why you should join this cloud platform. So now the first part, what is Moldiverse? And as you should be quite familiar with our products, you can see at the bottom, there's a 3-section of the gray square, manifesting the 3 stages in our product design and manufacturing stages. So there are part design, mold design, and the mold tryout. And if you see the red area, the red squares, you can see the corresponding solutions that Molded 3D offers. So if you're doing part design, we offer Sync, which is embedded in CAD software, so you can do quick simulation of molding simulation. And also our main product, Molded 3D CAE software. And if you want to do some data management and collection, we offer a private cloud solution called ISOM. It's a smart data management platform that will be installed in your company's server, for example. And above that is our today's topic, Moldiverse. It's a public cloud solution that basically covers material, some learning resources, and also some machine characterization, all offered in this new platform. And on the right is our cloud computing solution. It's called Cloud Connect. So if you have your own Azure or Amazon or GCP space, and you can use this tool to speed up your simulation. So basically, Molded 3D wants to create a closed loop from design to manufacturing. And we hope with all our on-premises and cloud solution, we can help break down silos within your organizations. So next, let's take a look what does Moldiverse currently offer. So as mentioned before, it's a unified portal for all Molded 3D cloud services. So the concept is based on 4M1E, which is man, machine, material, method, and environment. So basically what you can get on Moldiverse is polymer material data, smart molding simulation, and also learning contents. And the best thing is that just with one account and its free registration, you can access to all these services. So I hope some of you have already have an account, and if you don't worry, we'll offer a link at the chat box at the end of the session. So you are all welcome to register and take a look of what we offer on Moldiverse.